Philippines, Vincent Astrolabio, Katsuma Akitsugi.
Ito na mga idol, umpisa na ng laban. Vincent Astrolabio versus Katsuma na laban mga pre. Ito, start na. Round number 1.
Three colores along with the blue, probably with the gold and white.
They're listed the same height, but Akatsuki looks taller by at least a few inches.
Jab, Akitsugi. Sinusukat, Tabio.
Same hometown as Manny Pacquiao. He's with the Pacquiao camp at Wildcard. Akatsuki, yeah, I saw him coming in with Pacquiao. Never moved around.
Hook, left hook from Astrolabio. 1-2. Yun, tinamaan si Astrolabio. Left hook. Bumabawi si Astrolabio. Yun, tinamaan Astrolabio. Yun, 1-2 from Astrolabio. Nakatama sa bodega si Astrolabio. Mabilis din itong hapon mga pre. Ayan, 1-2 from Akitsugi. Mabilis. Bodega punteriya ni Akitsugi. Tiyama. Yun, left hook from Astrolabio. 1-2 from Astrolabio. Ito, round number 2. Yun, nakatama si Akitsugi mga idol. Bumawi si Astrolabio. 1-2 from Akitsugi. Yun, agresibo Akitsugi. Makamay din, no? Laging nagbabato ng jab. Tinamaan sa bodega sa Astrolabio. Ayun, bodega ulit. Ayun. Bodega talaga punteriya ni Akitsugi. Bodega talaga. Tinamaan sa bodega mga idol. Tinamaan na naman sa bodega. Makasurvive kaya. Pumasok talaga sa bodega yung last 30 seconds. Gawas nila, gawas. Magaling talaga dumukot sa bodega itong mga hapon. Last 10 seconds. Okay. Depensa lang talaga sa bodega.
that right hand does Akatsuki. He keeps that thing roving, as you said, long out front. And there's no fast punch, it just goes. It gets to a target. Nice right-handed punch, Lavio. It's like a snake charmer. That's the thing, we get a guy like Special Lavio who flies in like that, and you get more to himself.
Start round number 4.
A 2-1 advantage.
Jimmy, that's really to be expected. Special Lavio,
Yan, ito na, bakbaka na. Yun, bakbaka na yun, tinamaan na, bang, bang. Dinukutan naman sa bodega. Dinukutan sa bodega. Yun, bodega ulit. Mahirap talaga pag sa bodega matamaan. Ubos lakas talaga. Oh. Wala na. Ayun, tinamaan na naman. Last 41 seconds, parang babagsak na si Astrolabio dito. Delikado na, wala na to.
Lavio has left because he has a commanding lead on the scorecards. 3 knockdowns. They start out looking for the finish, gentlemen. Power punch is 86-31. Gentlemen, I can see him looking fantastic tonight.
Yeah, he's fought on our air. I think this is his 3rd fight in a row. He's impressed each and every time, more so as the competition has stepped up. Setting traps.
Such a worry about extending his arms and getting hit in a gunshot. You can leave the less stopper and throw. Which the body show just take this thing away.
Oh, good counter on the top there. Akatsuki. Lavio reached with that left hand. Akatsuki pulled back with the left hand over the top. That's right there every time they separate.
Lavio's going to take every chance he can to go back to this fight.
You can see whenever they get close, he's worried about his body.
Big body shots.
That's why I getting stopped. If we're not going to stop us tonight, we can see how he was built to his body shots tonight.
Jim, you remember the first time we had him on our air and I was watching video and he's like, it's pretty hard to the body. Like, he's got power, and then we saw it. So he's hurt out.
Yeah, if I hurt you that much, and Akatsuki's not one of those guys, he hurts you. Exactly.
You hit a guy, you can hurt him. If you can hurt him, you can stop him.
Big body shot.
Deep shot right to the knee.
this fight, two of them in round number 4. We have punches. Round number 4 was 57-18. So they can go to a break, 15 of them.
Can't you come? Punches with him, like you said.
Now he's coming forward. He's full center.
Cross, you know, that's the one that's with the right hand stance back here.
Oh, nice. Yeah, Russell Lavio coming in. That lead hook. I love anything, yeah.
Vanilla ice.
Yeah. Those straight left hands. It's like after Lavio just can't get away from him.
He doesn't really slip with his guard. He just makes out good.
Doubles the left hand, then he comes up with that lead uppercut, then he brings it down to the body. There's the body shot again.
And down again.
Great shot again. He caught him throwing his own shot.
Knockdown of the fight. Under a minute left to go in round number 6.
Fourth knockdown, all body shots.
Incredible.
Gutsy guy.
Literally.
These guys are killing him right now.
Faking him out, going high.
Mga idol, 3 beses bumagsak, tinamaan sa bodega pero bumangon pa din mga idol. Oh.
Turn again. Liver side.
10 seconds left.
Yun.
Another job and round back in Sophie.
There's too much aim.
Too much.
Round number 6 na. And about
Round number 1. Absolutely devastating body shots. Protect your ribs, can't punch.
He was just getting cracked with big shots upstairs.
Yeah. Just like that.
Wow, hurt again.
Look to the body again. Hook.
He comes back. Lavio does.
Back just enough to stay in this fight. Those body shots are absolutely chopping the tree down.
I just looked at the corner. There's nothing about throwing his towel.
Good sharp combination, making a stop.
Running these numbers, yeah, we have a cut under the eye. Basha Lavio hurt to the body, getting hit with big headshots over and over and over again. Less and less is coming back from Basha Lavio. One punch. I mean, no quit. He's tough as nails.
Sure, Akatsuki, this was going to take a hit, but Akatsuki, because of his relatively low knockout percentage, he's used to going rounds. Okay, I'm going to keep going rounds so I can relax it. So just let my boxing style flow here.
It turns into one of those Mars sessions where you're just head and shoulders from the guy. Yeah, they're there, but
So why he also trains the Korean style. Even this fight, and some of it is because
Straight shot, that is it. Referee wants no more with the 5th knockdown of this fight. Man,
impressive. And again, when you talk about these guys getting knockouts, it's not a sudden increase, and it's body shot based.
yeah. I mean,
in short, it is everything but power. Yeah, that's what the shots is. Yeah. Right to the soul, right in the red.
So he did the liver side, he did the far left side of the body, and the soul punch down the middle.
But try back.